Chinga kicho kubeka barai ase OBC ye ebirego ao cheikire yange 2027 omwakonde nalio chikura chikare general election here in our country Kenya ase amabaga karo ase obo MCA ase ebirego bia member of parliament ase ebirego bia county senator, county women representative and even county governors. Will have presidential elections asa abantu ao batenenire nchenkuru kwa Emmanuel Bosire inde amono mheshimiwa Patrick Nyawoka oyo tenenire koboria abaki chikora babomba ba ward banyale kumo consider Patrick to cha kaliswa litangani ainomoke sana aseke okoligeria kerugo kyo MCA
ngore kerugo kyo MCA esinge nchobomba bora ward netakero buraibore obwamana
kwarare
vacancy neroro yeah
na kiale through
the vacancy eroro just because of the poor leadership generate.
How do you rank leadership ngaire poor or say good?
Just because of the development and the complaints from the wananchi.
Mheshimiwa Patrick, tell me some of the qualifications that one must have to vie for a member of county assembly in Kenya.
First, member of county assembly, you must have 21 years and above.
Yes.
And vitu kama hizo tu. Yeah.
And of course, a leader must be of sound mind.
Sound-minded, yeah.
And you need to have a dream, an intention to lead people.
That's it, exactly.
We have seen many youths coming up to ask or to vie for those seats. What's your take on that?
Here, ndobo tiken tukilinga Gen Zs na uba achira wana kuchenchu urai. Because let's come with that trend ya Gen Z. Gen Z baro ringa oburai uboga endrete usoburai babagaka. They are taking on much of the time. Like now, I'm going example. Omusaya bunanje. Let me give us an example. Ya anje omusaya. Niseko soe kiroge kikia county assembly. I'll maintain so that nimbote miake mengen taragota, is it? I'll maintain the seat kokora bantu buya. Elinde na nchenge andre ko ebeka asagaya asabo mubwana menyate semiake menge. Bado nimbote miake menge sana taragota.
To komenta bakungu.
Yeah. Abakungu is the last priority so montore or about mind. The last priority. And another thing, Christianity can't allow Christianity. Ekobwati ngainga kyokinete and nga kyokinere. Na mentality ya uche so mwananchi. How do you put mwananchi sengore yao? When you usokonya oranga komenta bakungu mama, maybe that's what you kiken to kwa ganeti. Oko so beroko ucha komenta bakungu. Na again to say it's a good leadership in the country.
Abantu abange kuri barogo MCA ase ward ya Bombaga ward. Na sekyo mwake kura obombaga ward. Ara aboke ejumaine ya tarehe 8 omwaka ogocha. Asoke enda wakire kura.
Manifesto agenda ne steri umonta abegete ward ose mbe steri mbegete ward esengora yani. Manifesto what determines in a manifesto ne steri ogochiko waki na abananchi.
Nte manifesto ya onere.
Manifesto yani. Like now for example, Bombaga doesn't have health facilities, dispensaries. Doesn't tell. There is one but not active.
Wardingma tontenge go to dispensary.
There is an active dispensaries. Inactive.
No.
Not well equipped. We have Magena. Bombaga, like for example, let me take from the side of Magena side. People are going to watch Borab dispensary. Are you getting it? And another thing, technical colleges. Bombaga doesn't have many of them. Like now, I'm saying from the upper side of Magena and the midst of Mugonga, there is no another technical college there. You know, Aiga work hand to hand with MP. Another thing to look many friends from outside, donors, because this thing you must work with mind. I look for the main donors and work hand to hand with the MP, the current MP, when you work naye, and everything will be sorted through working like with mind.
Bombaba yatwalira aba MCA kuru 2012 oyo bayata baka 2017 ku 2017 oyo bayata baka 2022 na bone as we speak ne bwato yoro from now mpaka 2027 omweshimiwa Patrick binto kibiri okorera aba MCA batakorete awocho okora different
Ebinto batakorete like now there is many things. You know, to understand the role of MCA, it's very important. It's like these people didn't understand the roles of MCA. There is many.
No, they do understand.
They understand, but they really work for them. Like now, again, to now go kwa sahi health centers, in Chi or road networks, in 100% sure, and distribution of bursaries. They were very poor.
Tell me the work of an MCA.
Work of an MCA. Let me say for three main of MCA.
Yes.
Like now, representation. Whereby to mire county ko represent omwana ward kuso mwana inchi. Como korera kerikebwenrete amonto kerikebwenrete ko from the county to the ward. Aguna regasi mwana ikina igasi mo MCA wena to kor. And another thing legislation. Legislation no korosema chiko amending and making and amending laws.
Creating and amending bills
Yeah.
in the county.
Yeah. Another thing, oversight, whereby now kuandelana ki oko make sure there is well distribution of funds.
So, number 3 role of an MCA?
Oversight.
Yes.
Oversight whereby there is you discuss and approve the budget
Of the county assembly.
County
But
assembly.
you see,
Yeah.
that one, don't you see a situation whereby it's, if you have a bad relationship with the governor of the day, you're not going to get that project done to Bombaba?
You know, when that comes, naboko rest area work. You go hand to hand with the governor. We say if konye bintu biangire pi. Also, you know, buno want to work for better resources to your ward. Yeah.
Since devolution came in 2013 in our country, Kenya, one of the main challenges that the MCAs are facing is lack of a fund or a kit. As an MCA, you don't have a kitty whereby you have your money allocated to you directly so that you can be able to help your people in your ward. Do you see you're going to fund all the projects in Bombaba through the masses of the governor?
I'll try my best. Yeah.
Now, on your priorities, the first thing Kirola change also come MC of Bombaba ward in Gerek.
Health centers. I'll push technical colleges. Road networks first. Firstly, let me say, road networks. Road networks promotes business in the area. In terms of transportation.
What kind of roads does an MCA make?
Kind of roads. There is roads that MCA wana takoros.
Akuigora chichingeni.
Chingeni.
Ama kuoli.
Yeah.
Na chirichie county.
County. Yeah. Yeah.
Kamoro.
Yeah.
Igo MCA ta kuweka lami.
MCA ta koros lami. Yeah. Amakoli akoigora na ichukura nche.
Amachi bitachogali.
Yeah, that's it. Like now, for example, Bwana Manuel, Bombaba board, ebwate like now say abantu bari bakora match sana. Okonyora match ali metu 10 years ago, lakini match tayi. Like now, for example, Bombaba chikurende Arsenal ba to 5 million. Barosia match. Bago check ground banya gutangasa kera litu. Nga 5 million njabete nchena ni tukuchise ward chia match, but we have never seen abantu babwata match. Abantu until this time people are straining in terms of what
asokorera kwao ntobwato muchando bwa match gusi
muchando bwa match na roro
ncharakie
like now for example abantu mbanje tima champura
arali banjeta
abantu banje tina yaro chiko sa match ali mire Yebisima. Chiboholes. Yeah.
meta bamenya abange bagusi no bekira kitabu chikubunu abamisiye babekira amazi babekira kitabu ari gukora 2 weeks kitarabona asekiro chikubunero
maybe umuntu chibarimo n'ikinyinge but all in all if you working hand to hand n'abana inchi bagwanjete and kwa bakorere gento kero chikaina and you have by that's poor, there is insecurity in the area okonyora that's why most of the bad things be happen as a bintu bunebe if there is good security as a area chetu say bomba ward at large those cases zoko pinyara
no umete amache gusi nigale in towns major towns in Gusii amachanaro are functioning, are connected. Lakini toko handa ibinyoro mali astokuru. Ma toko bekiro monto mate onarete kwenda ruchi. Pipe ni yakingo bekesko onarete ko gata muina. Aso ensoka yabo abucha amache.
Umanyate?
Na ndina bwate ensoko esko be egesima. Na ndina mashina yake ko chumobeka.
Mostly tikangote bekante kam ibinyoro binge mbari konyuma achakisima. Umuntu nabo ndoche bagochi
nenda macha roche bayanjete sa
yeah bona macha there is a difference between macha ali bago tacha roche na macha ekisima because macha yekisima itsela ta ka viribuya mbabeke tikwere buya na kieko rabata liko nya macha lakini bona umuntu umwe musiyese come sure ikeiri kero monte tap gose villages banyore taps chabo it's very easy umuntu ko reduce a lot of time ko west go chiroche ko ya macha because it's well ne ka viribuya and mbantu mbarocha macha na masafi. So monte konara there is no way da be monte tap that's being illiterate. Gumunda ora be monte tap ante and road. Yeah, that's it can't work.
Machando yomo omoneno rugusi no bokenyomba. Ai nyomba kyo kurubomba bawode.
Ngoro nyomba ya ite ko munyabongo.
Omunyabongo.
Yeah.
Omo MC ole seated nyomba kyakoro.
Omumasansa.
Omunyabongo ndi agambe teri omwere.
Munyabongo tanya kugamba.
Muri abange ose muri abake.
Ntora abange.
Muri active ose muri active amangana siasa.
Abantu they are very active. Very active.
Abagaka abanene bakurangiri seinali abanyabongo bagateri bagwakirekeranya.
Abagaka bangakirekeranya. No enda gali kenyoro gali oboli umwe MC gani ngocha kwa wekero ogusimeru akamura kaiga na bakonyara mangana abagaka bangakire keboko na praze na mafuta bangakire rinde lyo zimbaro cyo buya sende
wese omweshimo omwe MC chinyomba echichinde chinke nakyo chara orachi bange
chinyomba first of all a good leader. Okay, for example sai ngoboli ndechikura tinta 100% from obombo or there is some opponents bana babwate abantu babo tariho so kingoira chikura tari ngango chikogawa these people yotanga kerete kura I'm going to work for every person ko make chinyombechi oboke nyombo bochigosira mbeka abantu aba bamba buno mombaba I don't think ko work na oboke nyomba. I think that one can't build
abune genzi chigenzi chawe tabira
chigenzi oboli muntu oli okorigera to comment section nabagote buna uyu muntu umumuro inaisaine baita birukurwa muga kampako mwana kengwero tarabate kebande agotera para Patrick
kwabonire bengi okorasa
bengi tindabuna
kwabonira
sai tikangote bigente kemo Emmanuel size we don't dwell on ogoseru gose okay tindikote banga tindikocha gosera bantu tindikote banga tindikocha gotera bantu ogoseru ngore it's good ngoye besa but not that much tikangote bi repercussion say amoyoko spend a lot of resources in the campaign time. First ijantu ko romo mondo rio ndikerte kende ko gara mondo tari ko kara magendero because you kwa tumigete chiba sinyinge during the campaign kwa nyoranga you need to refund your money na ko save for the next campaign correct. So tinda abuna ka kwerendende umuntu oyo ne no roko ngoni nande no roko reta abantu bantu banganjite
nkwandora matanga gigwakorire abantu batanga turusia mugambe turusia nakyo ko barusia
abantu njengo barusi ngo bagorando musi usama toke tinanya kwanga
Bono aye gukubora ritoke no musi.
Because they understand the good leadership from me. They are expecting good from me. Ekarna so irobugambe.
Ndala leta manoti eli wiga.
Well and good njengo bataibali. Bali?
Baba akregora.
Bali banga akire chikura. We are looking for the good leadership in the world. Tari ogoseru konge twanyorenga abantu sai Manuel bachanukire. Ogoseru konge banyorenga these people bagoikaba batama bakembuna.
Abagambe gotego barenga naye bieka. Naye bieka. Akike ne bakachukura banyora mbarabuka.
Ngoteba bari ninje bweka but saizi not politics ya 2027 politics ya 2027 to kwenye compare na politics ya 2022 saizi abantu they have no bamanyire what's good and what's well umuntu umuya no mobe umurai umuya no mobe bono saizi kwenye baikira ni batebe buna ninje bweka they have seen a good thing in me and bare good leadership from me
abaki kora babomba bara romonto mungao mwakire kura bogma bwa one kibarabe
bogma bwa ne mboko because these things you don't expect 100% ngire chikora because again tekega togo kebeka in heart there is losing and winning uko bwangoro no kubungoro yeah ikina kigento muntu ora wake in mind but to bashua but igento ngote yabantu bamintona ki inche nindire kubakoregas nande tingo tiga abantu baminto barare buna barire sai
Kiama kio chotumia kuliko MNC.
Kiama kia Jubilee. Kiama kikere kusina ndega. Usini kiama kia Jubilee Emmanuel.
No bana kwa bale ticket.
Ticket na rongirete mambi because as we speak right now I'm the only aspirant MCA kurubomba bo registered bune aspirant. As Jubilee party. As we speak I can even show you the list.
Ticket na what?
Ticket timbuati but njengo na tabetino ekarango tena bataba for those who are ready for fight from Jubilee ticket Jubilee party inchuto umana nomination